Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, back from my vacation to Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Parks. Highly recommend. It was amazing. Back in the studio, feeling rusty, haven't painted in like 3 weeks. And I'm going to tell you now, I start off with a fail. So this video picks up right at the decision points where I decide not to keep the painting that you'll see, and I pour over it and do something completely different. I'll have 2 to hold you over as I head off tomorrow morning to PourCon. Super excited. Can't wait to see a bunch of you there. So 2 videos should hold you over until I get back next week. And before I forget, one last thing, I am having my first ever sale on my new-ish now website at waterfallacrylics.com. 20% off of everything in this shop, plus free shipping on anything 12 by 12 and under. And I hope you go and just, dork around my website. The link is in the description section. And yeah, let me get you down. Oh, one more thing. Look what I got. While I was away, I got myself a new microphone. So hopefully my audio problems are now over. So, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I feel like that Verizon commercial. Anyway, here goes. Yeah, I don't like all that dark stuff at all. I don't like this painting. I don't like the middle. I don't like the black stuff. I'm not a happy camper. The black is bugging me. It's kind of giving me an idea though. I'm staring at my colors. All right, change of plans. I am going to pour over this. And we're going to change colors. So, goodbye to the white base. We'll use it to slide it around. We're going to go with the Tricorn Black base. Since I don't like all the black background, I'm like, if you can't beat it, join it. So we're going to go with that. And I'm going to use, I'm going to put orange in it. I think I'm just going to do 3 colors. I also have made up some Pebeo Studio Acrylics in iridescent green yellow. So we're going to start with iridescent green yellow. Can you guys see on the black background okay? We're going to start with that. And then we're going to put our anthracnone blue. Yep, and then we're going to do the green blue because I'm just feeling this color. And maybe we just do these 3 colors. I also have like gold cell activator made up. I could do black and gold. I think I'm just going to do black first. Let's just do black CA. And do a bloom with the black base. So let's blow this out. Ooh, this might be pretty. I have a clean t-shirt on. I'm going to get a straw and just puff in the middle a little bit. Test out my microphone, make sure you guys can still hear me as I walk around my studio. Well, too bad for quinacridone magenta, but kind of liking this colors on the black base, right? A couple little baby cells. Yeah, I'm loving the colors. Let's spin this out. And hang up my hair dryer. Way better than the black around the other one, right? I feel. And the iridescent green blue. Oh my gosh. And actually the activator blue is looking nice too. Hold on, let me see if I want this centered more. Yeah, let me center this a little bit. So, a couple of fails. I'm kind of liking this, y'all. See, and I was all saying like, I don't like black bases, that's not me, blah, blah, blah. And here I am doing more of them. They're really growing on me. That's that Kathleen from Cause Creations rubbing off on me. One more corner to get. Hold on, let me go the other way. Off you go. Fly off. I always have my favorite arm. All right, let me look at this. Let me stare. It's going to pull a little bit in the middle. Paint is pouring off the sides. That's a good thing. I am definitely not used to the color to go stuff. But I have to admit, this is kind of pretty, y'all. Black base bloom. I'm going to have to do my skewer test. Maybe I make 2 of these to hold you guys over while I am at PourCon. It is sold out. I hope to see a bunch of you there. Super excited. Teaching 5 classes, taking a couple classes, and honestly, I'm just going to meet everybody. That's like my total motivation. I'm like spinning around looking at the see what orientation I like best, and I think this is it. So it's sideways for you. So I see the orientation like this. Bit of a glare here. Let me turn out my light and see if that helps. Oh gosh, you guys. Am I going to turn into a black base painting with the Tricorn Black? The Tricorn Black is the bomb. It's not all color shifty or anything, not like the last ones I did. But man, that color palette, those 3 colors, they did the trick. Yeah, I'm saying ta-da. I'm totally happy with this. Let me clean up, get you guys down. All right, guys, I'm back with the wet results. I'm afraid I'm out of time to show you the dry results. I'd have to wait till I get back from PourCon. That color, see, I really wish I could show you the dry results so you could see all the sparkle. I'm going to go again, though, and add some sapphire to that anthraquinone blue. Because that basically think they're the same shade, except, you know, the pigment has sparkle. And do this again, maybe on like an 18 by 24. And yeah, let me say goodbye, and I promise to show you the dry results when I get back. Hey guys, I ran back to the studio real quick just to show you the dry results after all. I kind of love the explosion in space of this one. Kind of holding my camera at an angle so that there's not too much of a reflection. It's still quite tacky in the middle. It pretty much dried as is. Oh my gosh, the blues in this one. Pretty happy with it. 24 by 24. And it's on canvas. I'm probably just going to varnish this one because I don't like to put resin on big canvases like this. If it was wood, I would resin it, but yep, this one will just get varnished. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, getting ready to head off to PourCon. Let me flip around. All right, kids, that's it for me today. That's video number 1. I think I did back-to-back all in one day. So the next video will basically be a continuation, pretty much with the same color schemes. So be on the lookout for that. And I'll see you guys soon. Y'all take care. Have a great summer. Treat people with kindness. Treat people with kindness online. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.